Welcome to the Construction Channel, Chisels for Woodcarving. Today we're reviewing a set for relief carving designed to give you complete control over shape, depth, and detail. The flat chisel provides precise trimming, surface shaping, and control over a clean finish. The gouge chisel with a fifth profile is used for gentle material removal and creating smooth transitions, while the gouges with seventh and eighth profiles are responsible for shaping volume. The seventh provides controlled depth and smooth shaping, while the eighth gives a more pronounced relief and a sharper transition between surfaces. The semicircular chisel with a ninth profile is used for deep material removal, creating contrast and enhancing the light effect. The gouge with an eighth profile expands your options when working in complex areas. This set is a universal solution for relief carving, suitable for both beginners and professional craftsmen alike.